Okay, let's have a look at this. So this is super cool. Let's load up the graph that we've been talking about, but now we're going to do something clever with it. So here you can see the graph. Graph has been building up, but that's not what we're here to do. So healthcare partners with, who invests in, who supplies to, really enjoying all of this, but it's not what we're here for. What we're here for is, as Gabe, my friend, would say, some bragging rights, which is something clever. So what have I done here? Camera in use. Camera's in use. There you can see the camera. I don't know if you saw that, but as I move my hand now, I now have gesture control or with my hand. So we've gone Minority Report. How have we done this? Well, it's the webcam, obviously. And we're not using JavaScript because JavaScript is not fast enough to do this. A few years ago, the internet came up with this idea of something called WebAssembly. WebAssembly is near native code that runs behind JavaScript. Behind the browser, JavaScript can talk to it. So now we've got WebAssembly running something called Tensorfow. So not everything is about large language models. We use Tensorfow with a gesture control library. We tie that gesture control library to the orbit controls of Three.js, and now we can rotate things with our hand, which is super cool. The only other thing that I had to do with this is once upon a time I did this with a Leap controller, but now I want to use the webcam. It's not as smooth, so what I've done is I've put some averaging in there. So before, when I first did it, it was a little bit jumpy. So average it over 400 milliseconds with a running average over 2 to 3 seconds, and that running average keeps it running smoothly.